Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Gorgias macros for common dropshipping questions step by step clearly. Open your Gorgias dashboard and log into your account. Navigate to the macros section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Macro button to begin. In the macro creation screen, give your macro a meaningful name. Consider naming it based on the specific question it will address. For example, you could name it Shipping Inquiry for questions about delivery times. Next, move to the description field and provide a brief explanation of what this macro does. This helps your team quickly identify the purpose of the macro later on. Now, you will add the response that will be sent when this macro is triggered. Write a clear and concise answer to the common dropshipping question. Make sure to include essential details, such as expected shipping times and tracking information. To enhance your response, consider adding variables for personalization. For instance, you can insert a customer's name by using the variable feature in Gorgias. Once your response is complete, scroll down to the Conditions section. Set conditions for when this macro should be applied automatically. For example, you might want it to trigger when a message includes specific keywords like shipping or delivery. After you've configured the conditions, review your macro settings for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to the response or conditions. Once you are satisfied, click on the Save Macro button. Your new macro is now live and ready to be used. To test it, navigate to a customer conversation that fits the criteria you set. Activate the macro from the macro drop-down menu during the conversation. Observe how the response is populated automatically. If everything looks good, you have successfully configured a Gorgias macro for common dropshipping questions. Repeat this process for other frequently asked questions to build a comprehensive library of macros. By doing this, you will streamline your customer support and improve response times. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.